Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm a 26-year-old, and I am pregnant, and I'm about 28 weeks along, so I'm almost there. And in these videos, I will be showing and unboxing all the welcome boxes and free products that I've got or I have paid shipping for. Hi guys, it's Maddie here. As I'm editing my videos, I've noticed that they're getting long, so I have shortened them into 5 parts for the unboxing of the free baby products. Hope you like this video and enjoy it. Comment down below. Another box that I got is the Hello Milestone. With this box, you do have to pay shipping. Otherwise, it is free for this sample box. And it's the newborn kit because they offer 3 different kits. I got the newborn one. In here has a pamphlet from You Promise. Looks like how to start saving for your kids' education. This is very helpful to learn. Then also is the Bella B Natural Skin for Mom and Baby. So this is a brochure about the company, and it has some coupons on each of these little pamphlet sides. This looks very intriguing. I can't wait to see if I like it. It also, this box came with the sample one, so if I like it, I can go ahead and buy it. Can't wait to try that. And then there's a 3-pack. It looks like there's different flavors of the Ultima Refresher. It's electrolyte mix, and there's 0 sugar, 0 calories, and 0 carbs in each one. And so you just, looks like you just put in some water and you're keep hydrated. This will be good because it'll help me drink my water more. So can't wait to try this. Also that's included is a size 1 of the Parcel Clear and Dry Diaper. It meets the softest thing next to your baby's skin. And so it looks like there's 1 diaper in here. And then it also includes a code back here to save $5 if you like this on your next purchase. And it looks like Parcel never uses any chlorine, alcohol, dyes, chemicals, fragrance, lotion, parabens, any of those kind of stuff. So it tells you on the back. And then it also tells you that Parcel will donate 10% of your purchase amount to Feeding America. And St. Jude's and some other places. So that is really cool. And they are a local company where I am from in Southern California. So this is really nice. Can't wait to try that out on my little one. And this box also includes a 60% off on HelloFresh. This will probably come in a lifesaver when I have the baby and I don't have a lot of time to cook, especially taking care of a baby. So having, or even shopping too, having it come straight to my door and then have like a little plan and I can just make it up. So it'll be easy. Can't wait. It also comes with a Dr. Brown's Option Plus anti-colic bottle. So let's see what's inside. Comes in like a little bag. And it looks like this. It's also a 4-ounce bottle. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of a bottle. Not that bad to clean. So I can't wait to try that. Also, this box includes Perel personal little hand wipe portable packets. So this will be really nice to put in your diaper bag. So you can wipe your hands, whatever. Can't wait, because if I like this, I better find where I can find more of like this. This is really cool. And then in here also includes a 15% off on any of the birth poster company. So it looks like you can take a photo of your baby and they make like a little poster of it in black and white. So cute. Can't wait. I'll do anything. Then introducing new Paran lactation cream. It gives you fast relief for sore nipples and dry skin after breastfeeding your baby. It's by Meldala. So it includes a little sample so you can try. So if you like it, you can buy it. And so I'll be trying this with my baby. Can't wait. In this box, it also includes the D3 drops for it's by Child Life Essentials. So I'll have to do some research on this of how I can get my baby to getting some extra vitamin D, because I know as the mom, I'm very low on vitamin D, so it's important to me to be up on my vitamin D vitamins, but also my baby's. So I can't wait to try this out with my little one. The next thing is a baby Bionic. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. It's a slumber and sleep essential oil linen mist. It kind of smells like lavender. Oh, it's lavender oil and chamomile oil to help ensure slumber and sleep. And it's 100% pure essential oils. This will be really neat. And maybe it'll even help me sleep too. Smells good. I don't like lavender, but it's not too overpowering of a lavender smell. Last and least in this box is a Noble Baby Hospital Go bag kit. And in here includes, let's see. Let's open it. Includes another little flexi pacifier. This will be really nice. Then it includes 3 breastfeeding little bags that you can store your breast milk in. And it says it's a thicker, extra thick, like plastic that you put it in. This will be really nice to try. And it also comes with 2 disposable nipple pads after nursing. And then in there also includes an exclusive discount for all your baby's essentials. It's a 20% off your first order for your baby. And then it shows you all these different products that they have in this little brochure. Can't wait to try that.